Okay, April 8th. Multiplication by 10, 100, and 1,000. Warm up. I'm going to move to a different screen so we can use some manipulatives, but I just copied the problems here so we can go through them with some base 10s blocks. So the first question says, 4 times 1. So 4 times 1 is also the same thing as 4 ones. We're going to use our knowledge of base 10 today, and we're going to focus on base 10. So 4 ones is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I have 4 ones, I'm just going to put them all together, 4 ones, that means 4 times 1 equals 4 ones, and 4 times 4 equals 4. I can also use base 10s to represent 4 times 10. So just like we said 4 times 1 was 4 ones, we can also represent 4 times 10 as 4 tens. So I'm going to grab some 10s, which are these. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 tens is the same thing as 4 times 10. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40. So my final answer is 40. If it would let me write, there we go. Perfect, 40. 4 times 10 equals 40. 4 times 4 we said was 4. I'm just going to write it there. Okay, now 4 times 100. Take a quiet second to think. How do you think we can write this using base 10 knowledge and language? 4, if you said hundreds, you are correct. 400. So I'm going to grab 4 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 3. I stacked them together, 4. But this is 4 hundreds. They're stacked together. You can kind of see them at the top. I'm going to just drag them out one more time so you can see each one. 2, 3, then 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 100 is 400s, or 100, 200, 300, 400. So our final answer is 400. Okay, now we're going to do 4 times 1,000. I'm going to delete some of these because I want to have a little more space so I can really show you those thousands. Because it's important that we represent everything we do in math with concrete objects. So 4 times 1,000 can also be named as 4 thousands. So I'm going to pull out 4 thousands. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. It's getting tight. Then 4,000. So 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. And we write that as 4,000. Awesome. I'm going to take a screenshot and I'm going to move this into our workspace so we can go back to your work for April 8th. And we're going to type in our answers based on what we just did in our other slide. So we said, trying to make this a little bit smaller. Four times 1 is equal to 4. 4 times 10 is equal to 40, or 4 tens. 4 times 100 is equal to 400. And 4 times 1,000 is equal to 4,000. So the next part says, what patterns do you notice? And I want you to do this independently. What do you notice? I notice that. Fill in that sentence.